In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Genshin Impact account. It's easy, so without further ado, let's do it. The first thing that you are going to do to delete your Genshin Impact account is to email Genshin Impact. So let's open our email app and send an email to genshin_cs@mihoyo.com. Just make sure that you are using an email that is connected to your Genshin Impact account. On the subject, type account deletion. And in the body of your email, tell them that you want to delete your Genshin Impact account. Once done, just send the email. And wait for Genshin Impact to reply to your email. I have now the response of Genshin Impact customer support about our account deletion request. Let's check it. Here, they responded with 5 steps to delete our Genshin Impact account. Step 1, they sent me a link to visit. Let's click the link. They said to log into our account. I created my Genshin Impact account with Google, so I just need to click on continue or log in with Google. If you have your username and password of Hoyoverse, just log in with it. Step 2, they said to click on account security settings, which is here in the menu on the left. Here it is, click on it. Now on the right side of delete account, click on requesting account deletion. Click next. Click next again and log in to your Google account again. Please be reminded that your Genshin Impact account will be deactivated for 30 days. And after 30 days, if you will not choose to recover it, it will be permanently deleted. It means you can't recover it anymore. If you are 100% sure to delete your Genshin Impact account, just click on OK. And my Genshin Impact account is now deleted.